In this video, you're going to learn how to make a transaction. I'm going to use Account Blaster at accountblaster.com. I will use Account Blaster free. In order to make a transaction, you drag an amount onto a different account. Let go. It will ask you how much your transaction will be for. Tell it how much the transaction will be for. I'll put $100 for demonstration purposes. It automatically names a transaction. You can edit this if you like, but you don't need to because there's an appropriately named automatic name. A person B to a person C, that's their names. And it puts a description and category. Hit OK or enter, and you'll see your transaction has been made. In order to see the results, you can click on the deminimize, and you'll see the transaction has been made. If you click on the transaction, it will bring you to see the transaction details. If you'd like to see the parent and the transaction simultaneously, if you click open in new window, when you click the parent, it will give you the parent at the same time. These guys actually have wallets, and I neglected to use them, so instead of putting it in their hand, I can put it in their wallet. In order to do that, I will visit the wallet and see the transaction and enter move mode by clicking the move toggle, and now I can drag the transaction I just incorrectly made into the person's hand or wherever it was into their wallet by simply dragging it onto the proper account. Same with this guy. Should have put it in his wallet. So we'll put this transaction in his wallet instead. That makes a little more sense than just putting it in his hand. Now you can see the transaction has been made, and it's in his wallet. And you can see the location. This is the transaction, and this is where it is in its wallet in the person. And if you want to see the details of the transaction, this button will give you more details. If you want to see details of a parent transaction with the subcomponents, hit deep. This toggles a pie. So first a pie will open after you print it, and then close it with this, and then you'll get your detailed print. The reason the dialog comes up each time is this button has dual functionality, so it does actually quadruple functionality because it brings you prints in a new window in a copy pastable format. Now if you want to make a balance sheet, so you have a company, you need the ghost control panel open. You need a new ghost bar. Put the balance sheet name account, the asset account, liability account, and the equity account. This gives the balance sheet all the information it needs. To turn this ghost bar into balance sheet, hit the menu button, click statements and balance sheet, and you get a balance sheet out of it automatically. In order to print that, click the print button. This will preview what you're going to see on the print page. When you hit print for a second time, it gives you your balance sheet. Obviously you can screenshot this. You can also copy and paste the data into a text document if you'd like. And this is just raw. information. Thank you for watching.